मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार का 7 निश्चय योजना के अंतर्गत संचालित कुशल युवा कार्यक्रम गत 9 माह से बंद होने से बिहार के लाखों छात्र छात्राओं का भविष्य खराब हो रहा है। मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार द्वारा संचालित महत्वाकांक्षी योजना से प्रति 3 माह में 120 छात्र छात्राओं को कंप्यूटर की शिक्षा से जोड़कर स्वावलंबी बनाना उद्देश्य था, लेकिन कोरोना महामारी को लेकर गत फरवरी माह से बिहार के हजारों सेंटर बंद हैं, जिससे लाखों छात्र की कंप्यूटर शिक्षा बाधित है। सरकार के सेंटर बंद करने के निर्देश को लेकर प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करते हुए छात्र रोहन कुमार, अभिषेक कुमार, पूजा कुमारी, अंजलि कुमारी, बिट्टू कुमार, काजल कुमारी ने कहा कि कोरोना काल में उच्च शिक्षा, कोचिंग सेंटर, चुनाव की सभा, मॉल, सिनेमा हॉल खोलने की इजाजत दी है, लेकिन सरकार देश के भविष्य छात्रों की शिक्षा पर प्रतिबंध है। यह सरकार की न्यायोचित निर्णय नहीं है। छात्रों ने मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार से सेंटर को चालू करने की मांग की है। वहीं बिहार के आदर्श सेंटर इंटेल्स परसा के निदेशक डॉक्टर विश्वकर्मा शर्मा ने कहा कि सरकार द्वारा 28 सितंबर से बिहार के सभी केंद्र को कुछ निर्देश के साथ खोलने का निर्देश दिया गया था। सैनिटाइजर, टेम्परेचर गन, ऑक्सीमीटर उपलब्ध कराने का निर्देश था, जिसको लेकर जिला कौशल प्रबंधक संजय कुमार, एलईओ राजेंद्र कुमार द्वारा 24 सितंबर को केंद्र का निरीक्षण किया गया था। इसके बावजूद केंद्र खोलने का निर्देश नहीं दिया गया है। निदेशक डॉक्टर शर्मा ने कहा कि मुख्यमंत्री को मेल तथा ट्वीट कर बिहार के सभी कुशल युवा कार्यक्रम सेंटर को खोलने की मांग करने की बातें कही। डी11 टीवी के लिए छपरा से दीपक कुमार की रिपोर्ट।
I will make humble request to our Honorable Chief Minister to please open the KYP, because as you know that it has been being closed for previous 8 to 9 months. Okay, and as per the means requirements of the rest of the things in the states, the CM as well as the Prime Minister, they have opened most of the things like the schools for 9th and 10th. It has been opened, and their political rallies are also going on. Everything, if market is open or rally is going on, most of the schools are open, institutions are open, then what's the problem to just open one of the government institution? That is KYP, because we know that with the KYP, thousands of the students are getting the knowledge, and I have also taken, okay, and as it has contributed in me and in my skill, that language or soft skill, as well as it has given them knowledge of the computer, okay, we know very well. So I just I'm requesting to the CM, Honorable CM, to please open it as soon as it is possible, because we know that if the guys who had just enjoyed the class before 8 or 9 months, okay, and if they are just taking rest for 8 or 9 months, after that it will be started, then most of the guys are at the means age of the to just complete the KYP, and most of the guys had the initial term, means initial classes they have completed of 15 days or 1 month, okay. So if they are going to start now, then they need once again to just accelerate it once again, okay. So it will also take time. That's why how much time will be taken by the government, okay, to take the decision to open the KYP, that will obviously just harm the students. Why? Because if there's a gap, then obviously it will take time to accelerate. But whenever we are in the motion, okay, we are in the queue to work anything, that time we just go with our 100% energy. But if we just take any stop, okay, like a train, when train take a stop at the station, that time it has to just accelerate again, for that it takes time, okay. So that's why if they will just open the KYP once again, then obviously it will be very helpful for the students, because they will go to accelerate, and most of the students are waiting to complete that, because after that they will get the certificate that will help in their means future program, future projects, okay. And that's why most of the students are staying at their home, and they're requesting to the means LFs, center coordinators, and they are just coming in again to ask that, sir, when will class be open? But still we are just waiting for a decision, okay. So I am requesting heartily to the CM to please open it as soon as it is possible, because we know that it's a COVID, and recently our state has about 5 to 6 cases, and our country also just conquering the COVID, okay. And for that, we know if our PM has announced that to just distribute the free vaccines, and the whole the world are expecting from us that no, obviously we are going to just make the vaccine, then what we are waiting for? Obviously if you have just said that yeah, COVID will means explode from here, then why shouldn't you have from the market, malls, okay, everything is open, then why only educational institutions are closed, which are the most vital means part and backbone of the nation? And for that you have just brought the 6% part of the GDP to the education, but still you are doing like this. I don't know why, But once again we are requesting, and I'm requesting with all the students who are just continuing the classes of the KYP to please open it as soon as possible, because the most of the students are dependent on that, because they will get the education certificate knowledge from there. After that they will just enjoy their what life next future, or they will go to the job of the students. Okay, and for that they are waiting, and how many times they will have to wait, it depends upon you. So once again, being a CM, that I'm requesting you to please open the KYP, that the students will not just face a problem to go means in their future. Okay, thank you.
I'm a student of KYP, and also I just finished my matriculation in 2020, and I joined the KYP in Feb, in month of Feb. But after some days, after coming coronavirus, the class is closed till 6 months, and after फिर उसके बाद जो KYP फिर से शुरू हुआ था, लेकिन कुछ दिनों के बाद, जैसे 10-12 दिन के बाद हम लोग उस KYP को किए, लेकिन फिर भी बंद हो गया। और उसके बाद जैसे अनलॉक की प्रक्रिया गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, लागू किया, लेकिन क्या KYP नहीं खोला, लेकिन बाकी सारे इंस्टीट्यूट 9th क्लास 10th क्लास 11th क्लास और 12th क्लास के इंस्टीट्यूट चल रहे हैं, लेकिन KYP अभी तक नहीं खोला। तो मैं आई वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ बिहार and whosoever connected with KYP, I request them just open KYP, because what I learned from KYP, I just losing that, like communication, confident also, what we learned about computer connectivities. So we are requested to Chief Minister and KYP head just reopen the KYP, because क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत महीने से इससे जुड़े हुए हैं, जिससे हम लोग का जो टाइम मैनेजमेंट हो रहा है ना, वो नहीं हो रहा है। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट, थैंक यू।
प्रश्न पूछते हैं, बिल्कुल बच्चे प्रश्न पूछते हैं, जब वो फ़ोन करते हैं, जब वो आते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि सर आप झूठ बोल रहे हो क्या, क्योंकि सर इतना पॉलिटिकल पार्टियाँ हुई, पॉलिटिकली इलेक्शन हुआ, सर इतने भीड़ हुए, इतना गैदरिंग हुआ, मार्केट में इतने भीड़ है, तो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे तो इससे परेशानी होगा क्या, ऐसा तो है नहीं। तो काफ़ी बच्चे भी पूछते हैं, और हम लोग को भी थोड़ा सा आश्चर्य तो होता ही है कि ऐसा क्या हो गया कि सारे मतलब समस्या सिर्फ सेंटर में तो नहीं है। अगर गाइडलाइन से हम सेंटर में सब कुछ व्यवस्था करते हैं तो हमको बच्चों को पढ़ाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए। हमने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में चेंज किया।
Actually, sir, our demand is that to means as soon as possible to open the KYP classes, because due to that we think after having the KYP we'll just go outside of the from here. So means due to that we are stuck over here. So means our demand to just open the KYP as soon as possible, because the government allowed to open the 9th 10th classes and 11th 12th and after the intermediate, and I'm doing the KYP, because whosoever the student of KYP that is above to and that already passed the 10th classes, so government should just focus on that, and government should focus on that to just open as soon as possible the classes, because we are just waiting for a long time. Means our class means our session is started from 3 February, and it means it should be finished after 3 months, but still we are just waiting for that. Still we are waiting for our batches, and means after the when the lockdown just unlocked, then our institute just called us for KYP classes, and after having the class only single day, again the classes got stuck. When we asked to have the classes, then our this mentor and teacher just told us when we'll get the information, then we will just tell about the classes. Okay, so means our honorable chief minister should focus on that to open the classes as soon as possible, because we are stuck and we have to do means several things, because we are getting the confidence, communication skills, soft skill, and computer skills. So due to that all skills are got stuck, and whatever the confidence we got from here, from Intellis and from KYP classes, that is going means due to that we are just going to lose those confidence and lose those skills, because if we are not going to continue the classes, then how will get the every knowledge, and how will just do the practices of whatever we learned in previous classes.